saving for travel, investing on a house. Do you have other investments also?
Actually, no. Travel, house. Well, just I like having fun with my friends, so
Okay.
we go out a lot.
Okay.
But no, just travel and house.
Okay, got it. What do you think will be the biggest expense of people here in rent? Okay.
Yeah, the rent, because if you want to live on your own, then you need a good salary. If you want to rent and you want to save and you want to travel and you want to buy a house, you need to a lot of money. If you are two, it's easier.
Okay.
And the more time you are here, the better job positions that you can get, and little by little you can settle.
Okay guys, we're here, part 2, with our interview with Valerie, Pick a Pick Tours, YouTube superstar, also here in Barcelona. One of the best photo shoots, yes?
Yeah, the best.
Yeah, so she makes amazing angles for everywhere. Now, I want to ask this. We talked about expenses, cost of living here in Barcelona. What's your strategy as someone who moved here? How do you get to save in this city where I think in Spain, Madrid and Barcelona are one of the most expensive ones? So how did you do it?
When I just came here, I didn't have an amazing salary. I have a low salary. So, of course, find a very cheap apartment in a nice area, but safe, but still cheap. And then try to not to have like a lot of expenses, like a car. If you have a car in Barcelona, you have to pay a lot of things. It's easier to move around by bike, the public bikes, or by public transportation. And also you don't need a private insurance, you can have the public one, and that's great. Also you can cook at home, all the things that you do in order to save money, and then little by little you start looking for a better job position. I started working for myself. Well, at the beginning I was working in a photography in a studio. But then I started working for myself, so it's really actually expensive to work on your own in Spain.
What do you mean it's more
Because
expensive?
now it changed a little bit, but if you want to work by your own in Spain, you have to spend almost 300 euros per month.
That's for the permit?
The fee that you have to pay every month in order to be able to make invoices.
Okay.
Okay, but now it has changed, so now you start paying only 50 euros, and then after 6 months 100 euros, and then after 6 months 150, and then until you get to the final one, which is 300.
Okay.
So it's not easy, because when you start, it's supposed that you are not earning a lot.
Okay. Do you set aside a specific target? I want to save 10%, 20%, 30%, or I want to save
As much as I can.
Okay.
Because I love to travel, so I want to travel. I want to spend my money on traveling, and also little by little, it took me like 2 years to settle, to finally settle, get a nice job, a nice house, and all that. So after 2 years, I started thinking about, okay, now I can travel, I have the money. What about buying house?
Okay.
So if you have a permanent job and you have more or less a good salary, fixed salary, you can go to the bank and ask for a mortgage.
When did you know that it's time for you to buy a house? And then second question, I forgot. You said you're saving for travel, so all of your savings all for travel, no other purpose for saving, all for travel.
Well, yes, I try to save money. But one of the things that I wanted to do, one of the reasons why I wanted to be here is to travel, because it's really cheap. We have the low-cost flights.
Okay.
We can be, I don't know, sometimes, for example, we can go to the UK for 5 euros.
Oh, 5 euros? Whoa.
Yeah, if you buy it in advance and you get a promo and whatever.
Whoa.
I have been to Italy for 20 euros.
Whoa.
Also, it's really cheap, and if you can organize yourself, you can travel a lot.
Okay.
And it's really cheap.
But what happens when you travel? So your money goes to zero again, all of your savings.
But it's not like I have been saving the whole year to do one trip.
Oh, okay.
We do trips every month.
Okay.
And we try to save money as well for life for
Okay,
me.
okay. But you're already retired, right?
No,
Retired?
I'm not. I wish I was retired. No, I'm
Okay.
not retired, but I
Okay.
work for myself and I have people working for me. Well, when you work for yourself, salary depends on what you sell. So
Okay.
the more you sell, the more money you get. If you have people working for you, then also that's great because you can focus on other things. And this is what's happening.
So if you want to know what she does, links down below in the description. So back to the house. When did you decide that it's time to buy a house?
I think after 5 years
Okay.
living in Barcelona,
Okay.
when I had a good job position,
Okay.
doing my photo shoot tours that I'm doing in
Okay.
Barcelona.
Okay.
And also my boyfriend, he had a good job, and we have very few.
Operational expenses, is that all?
Okay.
OPEX, operational expenses.
Okay, try to have as little as possible
Okay.
on that because
Okay.
those are fixed things that you have to pay.
Okay.
So we decided to be more free. So if
Okay.
we have to go and live somewhere, we don't
Okay.
have so many things going on.
Okay.
And so after 5 years, we started the prices started going down.
Okay.
So then say, okay, it's our time to go and buy a house.
Monthly payments for mortgage, is it expensive or it's okay also, not
No, the
nothing to
thing
worry about?
actually I don't know now with the crisis, but here if you buy a house, the mortgage is cheaper than
Oh, rent?
the rent.
Oh.
So it was really important to get a mortgage rather than spend a lot of money. It's more than 1,000 euros. It's
Okay.
less than 1,000
Okay.
euros.
For mortgage, you need to have a good down payment also, cash to be able to make down payments.
Yes, you need a down payment. You need
Got
to save.
it. Got it. So saving for travel, investing on a house. Do you have other investments also?
Actually, no. Travel, house. Well, just I like having fun with my friends, so
Okay.
we go out a lot.
Okay.
But no, just travel and house.
Okay, got it. What do you think will be the biggest expense of people here in rent? Okay.
Yeah, the rent, because if you want to live on your own, then you need a good salary. If
Okay.
you want to rent and you want to save and you want to travel and you want to buy a house, you need to a lot of money. If you are two, it's easier.
Okay.
And the more time you are here, the better job positions that you can get, and little by little you can settle.
When do you plan to retire? Do you have a target date for retire? Oh, and second controversial question: do you plan to stay in Spain forever?
No. I mean, I love Spain. I love Barcelona, but I feel like I want to go and explore other places. I have in mind Australia. This is my dream, and also the UK and Germany. I have studied German for a long time, but the only problem that I see is the weather. In
Very
Spain,
cold.
we are very used to sunny days every day, so that's one of the main problems.
Got it.
Okay, and with a baby, I have just become a mother. Here in Spain, it's really easy with babies because we have a public nursery and private as well, and public school which is really good. Concertados, which is half private and half public, so it's not that expensive, and private school that are really expensive. So we have a lot of options. Spain is beautiful for kids. So I don't know now, but yeah, we're planning to move.
Okay.
And I wish I can retire next year.
Retire in Australia or no?
I wish.
Okay,
yes.
got it. Any final words you want to leave to people? How you became good at what you do, your business, or even the way you're able to save? Not a lot of people can save money, so the fact that you're saving, you're very good.
Okay, thank you. Now I'm gonna say a cliche,
Okay.
but I think that if you really like something, like for me, I love photography, I love video. If you really like something, you have to go and do it and be the best. Because this is what you like, so of course you're going to put a lot of effort and do it super well. And if you do something really good, but it's not only that you like something, but also to be the best in
Okay.
what you do. If you do that, I'm sure that people would love it and people will start buying whatever you are selling. And always work on your own, because this is for me the best, because you are super free to do whatever you want. My boyfriend, he works for a company, and that's also really nice. If you are two, one that has a fixed permanent job and the other one that works on their own, because at least you have someone with a fixed salary every day. because with COVID, my job was destroyed.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, now it's coming back again. But I would say work on your own and do whatever you love.
Got it.
And do it seriously.
Got it. Well said. So I was pressured. Is the framing of this very, very good? But anyways, thank you for being a sport, and it's nice to actually meet you also. If you want to know more about her, the pictures that she does, links are in the description below. Valerie,
See
take
you
a
in
pictures.
Barcelona.
So yeah, I hope you guys got a lot from this. I hope this helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. God bless you all.